Y'all, I have a Temu haul. Let me unwrap everything and I'll show you what I got. Alright, I'm going to try to go quick. Y'all probably hear my grandson in there, but I bought these 8.5 LCD writing tablets, okay? I bought my other two grandkids one and they work perfect. So I bought my other grandbaby one. And these are really neat, even if you want one to keep notes, okay? And this was $4.98 for this size. Now they do have a lock button. You have to unlock it. You can keep your message if you want to. Y'all will hear my grandson, I'm sure. But the pen comes with it, and all you do is pop your pen out, and then this one has multicolored, see? Right like this. Then you just push a button and trash it. These are super cool. And like I said, you can give them to your grandkids, or you can use them yourself if you want to. And they came packaged pretty nice, as for coming in a bag, you know. And then I got, I believe, it was these stamps. They're silicone stamps. So far, the ones that I've used are nice. This is a cute little flower pack. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that because of the light. But these were $1.48. That's it, just $1. I got this one-piece daisy fondant or clay mold, silicone mold. Now, it is smaller than I thought it was in the picture. It is $1.68. But, you know, I'll try it out, I'm sure. I love DIYing with these. Now, they are kind of, I mean, like, you can see, if you push too hard, you're going to be coming out the back. So I don't know, but we'll see. And that one was $1.68. And then I got, y'all let me find it, because I got everything in a Mod Podge of stuff over here. Alright, this lace right here, you get 5.46 yards for $1.19. I've used this. It's nice. It's not a bad deal at all. It's good quality. And, yeah, I will buy this again. Actually, I bought it and then bought two more. So, yeah, for $1.68, I mean $1.19, that's not bad. These acrylic markers, y'all, I opened one of the white ones, and then I ordered more. I should have opened this for you. I don't know why I didn't. I'm so lame brain. This 6-pack, 3 white, 3 black, was $1.19. I mean, $4.48. Y'all, get it right in a minute. They come white. You push down just a little bit to get the color coming. Look at this. Writing just like a pen. These are the nicest pens I have ever had. They're acrylic painter pens. 3 of them for $4.48. You cannot beat that, people. You can't, okay? Temu for the win. Then I got, so weird and random. This is a clay mold that is a pine cone. So I purchased this for the winter. I thought it would be neat. I don't know what the world I got on it, but that's my pine cone one, and it's well made. It is very well made, very detailed, and it was $2.89 for that one. Then I picked up these. They were packaged in this, and these are the acrylic stamp things for my stamps, but phew, had to clear my throat. I did not expect them to be so small. They were $2.98. Now this is so random, but I have been looking for this flex beater edge for my KitchenAid mixer for the longest time. Now I'm not sure how it works, but this one piece, this is usually $20 something, I think, or more. And I got this one for $8.59, and it looks to be good quality. The reviews were really good, so I snatched that up for that price. Then I ordered these right here. These are so stinking pretty. I love the rose. Not sure what I'm going to do with the rest of them. I actually wanted the roses, and I only ended up with one. That was a big, big letdown, but, you know, at least I got one. But I'll do something with them, I'm sure. They're really pretty. Even though they're pink, Lisa, they're pretty, okay? Then I picked up a pair of scissors. These are just, they got big hand parts right there. And they were in this packaging, and I should have opened them, but some of these I wanted you to see how they were packaged. These were just in loud wrappers, okay? These are not curved. They go together very, very well. My first time trying these, y'all. They cut like a dream. Oh my God, they are super sharp. Those are going to be very handy. My fingers fit in them well too. Those are going to be very, very handy. They were $1.19. Now this other thing I'm really, really, really super excited about. I have always wanted one of these too. And this one came in a box. Look at this. I love cutters, okay? I do. These things can be expensive. It unfolds and you have more room. Now, if the measurements are great, that'll be great. You have a scoring tool in here to use for scoring. It fits right in your little cracks here. This little foldable thing was $17.48. And I was like, for that price, I'll try it. Sometimes you can't even buy just a cutter for that. And then I'm getting the scoreboard as well. So we'll check that out. Then I got, now this is random, and I really don't have any hair. I don't know what I was thinking. But I've seen these, and I've wanted them. And you put your hair through here, and then all you do is twist it up and then fold this around. And this right here is supposed to hold your hair and look like a little bow in your hair. So, we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to try it. Like I said, I don't have no hair, but maybe I have that much. I don't know. And these came 2 in a pack. And this set right here was $1.07. There's that one. And that one was $1.19. These stamps and this die came with it, which I don't have a die cutter. But these stamps are so pretty. I hope you can see. They are, it says Valentine's Day German wreath, but there is a bottle and then words and then all kinds of, it looks like sunflowers and I don't know what all in there. And this set right here was $6.28. But like I said, I got both sets. So $6.28 for that one. And I think this is the one that's next. I got this one right here. This is simply beautiful. And it came in a little bubble bag, which was nice. But I got that one, and it was $1.50, $1.48, $1.50, whatever. Then I got this pen. This is not just a pen. This is a cutting pen. Do you see that? It's got a blade in it. Don't know how well that is. We're going to try that out. That blade pen was 88 cents. That's it. 88 cents. Now, sometimes the prices vary. Okay? Sorry, you can hear my grandson in there. Then I got this one right here. This is a succulent one. And it looks really, really nice. Like, there's no thin spots in it at all. It's very detailed. It looks very nice. Then I ended up with another one of these. And it might be a good thing. It's not near as thin as the other one. So maybe this one will be better. I don't know. This one was $1.48. Then I ended up with this rose one, and it has the leaves on it. Very, very beautiful and detailed down in there. Very well made, it seems like. We'll see. That one was $1.18. Then I got these leaves for the fall. I'm hoping y'all can see these. They are very, very good. This one's good quality. I got thread sticking to it now. But anyway, those are very pretty. And they were 99 cents. Then I have sunflowers stamps. They came in a little plastic thing. These are super pretty. You can stamp these and then color them in. I'm excited about these. They were $1.98. Then I got a spoon rest, and I got this for paintbrushes, and it is very, I don't know, for paintbrushes it might be okay. There's no feet on here for stoppers. This is what I got in the, it was just wrapped in plastic, and this is it. I thought it was silicone, but it's not, and if paint gets on this, it's going to be very hard to get the paint off. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. It is not what I thought it would be. Just saying, it's plastic. Then I got 2 yards of this black lace, and it was 2 yards for $1.19. There's the other one of the white ones. I received these flower stamps, which I am not sure about. They look a little dark for me. I've not used them yet, but I got those, and they were $1.48. And then this is just how it ended up in my cart. I got these clamps, but I got 2 of those. They were $1.98 each. Now you cannot beat that. This is metal. This is plastic, but I'm sure they'll be handy. Then I ended up, these are curved scissors, okay? The other ones were straight. These are curved. They have big holes for your hands as well. Y'all wouldn't, these are nose hair things, nose trimming and eyebrow trimming scissors. Sorry if that was loud, but these are bent. Here we go. Sure will. They cut quite nicely. They were $2.08. Then I got this set of birds. Oh, I'm so excited to use these, y'all. These, anyway, were $2.98. I got a pack that actually match this pretty good. But this is a pack of makeup brushes. Now, I did want you to see how these were $3.14. It's 20 piece. I like to paint with a lot of these. They come packaged like this. And then they're in their own packages. That's a lot of brushes for $3.14 that I can use and put in my stash like I needed them. It's raining, so I have a tin roof. You might have trouble hearing me, but I wanted you to see how this was. They had different sizes of these. This one right here is the 25 millimeter, which is 0.98 inch, and it is $2.69. But it's a nylon brush, but it was packaged like this, and then you open this up, and this actually is sealed in here quite nicely. That's a very thick, short handle I love, but it's a nice feeling brush. Now, it don't feel very well made. You might have to take your pliers and pinch it back on, but it's pretty decent. Nope, there, look at there. So that will have to be fixed, glued in, whatever, but the brush is nice. No shedding. It's very soft. I cannot wait to use that after I fix it. I bought one of these automatic thread thingies that I have in my Amazon store, but these work just like them. No different at all. Push it in, there's your little thing. $1.50 works great. This is 50 piece vintage flower paper. Now, I haven't opened this up, but this was $2.69. Let me flip through of beautiful, beautiful paper. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. Oh, that is so, so pretty. Oh, I have an idea for that already. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That is a lot, you know, it's a lot of paper. They're the same prints, but it's quite a bit of paper for $2.69. That's nice. I am loving that. I am loving that. Then I'm not unwrapping these, okay? This is napkins. I picked up these napkins just to see the quality of them. They are dotted a lot. I don't know. I don't know about them. They're pretty, but I don't know about them, okay? They were $1.18. Then I got these dried pressed flowers, and I am so scared to open them that they will fall apart. I don't know, but I'll be using those in a DIY. I'm so scared, like I said, but I'll use them. So I ended up with those. This paper right here was $1.68, and it was loosely in there. I'll just flip through them for you. That one's beautiful. Love that one. I bought it for the roses. Not even gonna lie. Oh, that's really pretty. That is pretty. I like that one. That one's kind of weird. I don't know. Oh, beautiful. So I got that little pack. It's 12 pieces of vintage paper for $1.68. Then I got this stamp. I don't know how much it was. It's not even showing in here. But it's cute little flowers. Now, as a free gift, y'all, they sent me a free gift because I ordered so much. I picked this out. Now, I'm not sure about this, but I use tools a lot, and I've wanted one of these. It came with this adapter thing with it, and you put this in here, I think. Yeah, put that on there, put this in your drill, and this will, it goes down to any nut that you put on, and man, it is tight. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I don't have to look for, tools when I just stick it on and, the bolts and screw it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this was totally free because I ordered so much stuff. So that is my Temu haul, and I am loving it so far. Y'all be blessed. Until next time, goodbye.